You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. I know many people get confused by it, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know. So let's break it down. Sails. Sail. So you have a diphthong A and then an L. Sail. That's the singular, sail. For the plural here, you add a Z sound, a Z sound. Sails. Sails. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.